everyone, I'm Elena of Domatters. Video marketing is simply using videos to promote your brand, products, or services. There are many ways videos can be used in marketing, like brand videos, product videos, live stream videos, and so on. Videos are an integral part of any marketing campaign as they have highly engaging, provide better conversations, and give a huge search engine optimization boost. So, how do you launch a video marketing strategy that helps get more engagement and more results? Start with these steps. First, refine selling points of products and services. When we are preparing for video marketing, we must first clarify and refine the selling points or advertisements of our products and services. That is, differentiation and find the characteristics that can meet the needs of our users. For enterprises, using video marketing to deduce product characteristics, mobilize user participation through interaction, enable users to generate UGC behavior, actively improve brand interaction, and generate social communication has become an important way for brands to effectively seize users' attention and improve marketing ability. Number 2, analyze the attributes of potential target users. To make video marketing more effective, we need to research from potential consumers to understand users' needs and preferences. Therefore, the brand needs to determine what channel users use to play videos, the type of language the users use, and which language best conveys our message. What are the difficulties or needs of users, and the solutions we can provide for them. Only when we know enough about users can we make target videos when we face the problems and the needs of the audience. Number 3, define the subject content of video marketing. After refining the selling points of our products or services and analyzing the user attributes, we have to determine the theme and content of this kind of people. What must be the form that these kind of people are interested in and easy to accept? First, use the title and the description to express the theme clearly, because the first thing users see is our title. So it is particularly important to write a high-quality title so as to attract users to click on the video. Number 4, select a video platform and deliver it in a target way. There are many kinds of video platforms, including short videos, TV advertisements, online videos, promotional films, macrofilms, etc. After the brand completes the video content, it is selectively release it or make relevant videos according to different platforms. Pay attention to what kind of video and what type of video content is suitable for delivery and dissemination on what type of video platforms. Number 5, constantly push on your social schedule. Don't think of videos on social media as one and end. One fully produced video could be uploaded to several networks over a month-long period. Depending on your social schedule, on Douyin, you could promote it many times. For live streams, you will need to promote often to ensure lots of people will join in at the right time. One film recording session could produce multiple videos. Different clips could be used for promotion or spliced together to create new videos. Think big when you are promoting videos. Number 6. Optimize and track data in time. Because video marketing is divided into two forms, paid and free. If it is paid, it's enough to plan and write relevant copy content and comply with the rules of the video platform. So, if you want to do free video marketing, the brand has to do more work. Whether comprehensive search engine platforms or other platforms, they all have their own search engines. We have to optimize search engine optimization according to the search engine rules of these video platforms. One thing you can't miss when doing video marketing is the platform. Not all platforms are applicable to every brand. Enterprises need to analyze the target consumers' portraits on different platforms, match the characteristics of the brand, and select the most appropriate platform, and judge whether it is suitable for the target group of the brand, and then make correct and effective marketing strategies to make the target group interested in and support an enterprise's brand. In addition, in order to increase the coverage of content, companies need to figure out the content distribution mechanism of short video applications. That's all. Thank you. Bye.